In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your hacked Instagram account without the email address and phone number. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If your Instagram account was hacked and the hacker has now changed the email address and phone number, and now you want to recover that account without the email address and phone number, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar type my Instagram account has been memorialized. Click on this first option, my Instagram profile has been memorialized. Now click on this let us know option. So now in order to recover your hacked Instagram account without the email address and phone number, you need to fill out this form. So first enter your full name. After that enter your Instagram account's username. Then you need to enter a new email address. This email address is very important as it will be used by Team Instagram to contact you. Once you have provided the new email address, in this additional info box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide the details how your account was hacked and now the hacker has changed your email address and phone number. Once you have done that, all you have to do is to click on the send option. And once you click on send, within the next 24 hours, you will receive a response from Team Instagram on the new email address. They will basically ask you to provide some sort of identification, such as your passport, driving license, or any government provided ID. Once you have provided that, your hacked Instagram account will be recovered without the email address and phone number. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.